What if I told you a mini PC the size of a book could replace your bulky desktop and still run games, store terabytes of data, and stay whisper quiet? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving into the GMKtec NucBox M5 Ultra, a compact powerhouse that's shaking up the mini PC game. By the end of this video, you'll see why this tiny machine might just be the ultimate desktop replacement for under $360. First, let's talk brains. The NucBox M5 Ultra is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7730U. 8 cores, 16 threads, Zen 3 architecture. It's not the newest chip on the block, but it's more than capable for daily tasks, streaming, and even some light gaming. And thanks to GMKtec's advanced cooling, this little box stays cool and quiet even under heavy loads. Now, graphics. The RX Vega 8 integrated GPU means you can play older or less demanding games without a hitch, plus handle emulation or creative apps. Pair that with up to 64 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and dual M2 slots for up to 8 terabytes of storage, and you've got a setup that punches well above its size. Ports? Plenty. 2 USB 2.0, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2, a Type-C, HDMI, DisplayPort, and even dual 2.5G Ethernet. Triple display setups? Covered. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2? Absolutely. And all of this fits in a chassis that could easily sit on your desk without taking over your workspace. Price-wise, the NucBox M5 Ultra starts at $249.99 for the Barebones version, $309.99 for 16 gigabytes RAM with 512 gigabytes of storage, and $359.99 for 32 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Even better, launch discounts and a coupon code drop the price even further. So here's the takeaway. The GMKtec NucBox M5 Ultra isn't just a tiny PC. It's a versatile, compact, and surprisingly powerful system that can handle work, play, and storage needs all at once. If you're looking to downsize your desktop without sacrificing performance, this might just be the smartest mini PC you can buy right now. Check out the links in the description to grab one before the discount ends, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns like this.